Can this helmet actually absorb crash impact? Every time you ride, this one piece of equipment decides how safe you really are. But the real question is that can your helmet actually handle a crash? This is impact absorption testing, conducted as per IS 4151, the benchmark for helmet safety in India. Let's break it down. First, the helmet is carefully mounted onto a standardized metallic head form. This head form replicates the exact shape, size, and mass of a human head, ensuring consistent and accurate testing conditions. Now comes the critical moment. The helmet is lifted to a precisely defined height and then released onto a rigid steel anvil. Within milliseconds, an extremely high force is generated, similar to what happens during a real road accident. But what happens inside the helmet is what truly matters. The outer shell immediately spreads the impact force across a larger surface area. This prevents the force from concentrating at a single point. At the same time, the inner liner, typically made of EPS foam, compresses instantly, absorbing the energy generated during impact. This controlled compression is crucial because the goal is simple: reduce the force transmitted to the rider's head to safe limits. Highly sensitive sensors inside the head foam measure the exact force experienced during impact. If that force crosses the permissible threshold defined in the standard, the helmet fails. No assumptions, no second chances. Because in a real accident, there isn't one either. This test doesn't just evaluate a helmet, it determines whether it can save a life. So the next time you pick up a helmet, remember, it's not just about looks or comfort. It's about proven impact protection. And that's exactly what we test at Presto.